Planning a trip to Dubai? Here's a clear, detailed checklist of everything you should carry to make your vacation smooth, stylish, and stress-free. Passport plus photocopies, UAE visa, UAE, Saudi, Juma'i, Oskurpach, on-arrival documents, flight tickets and hotel confirmation, travel insurance, international debit or credit card, local dirham currency, universal adapter, Dubai uses Type G plugs, phone, plus charger, plus power bank camera gear, optional but great for desert safaris, portable Wi-Fi or SIM, Virgin Mobile, Etisalat at airport. Headphones for long flights for general wear, light cotton clothes, Dubai is hot, comfortable walking shoes, sunglasses and hat. For malls, restaurants, smart casual outfits for beaches, pools, swimwear, plus cover-up for mosques, like Grand Mosque, Abu Dhabi. Women, abaya, or full-sleeve top, plus long trousers plus scarf. Men, full-length pants, modest shirt, sunscreen, SPF 50+, moisturizer, dry desert air, basic medicines, headache, cold and flu, antacids, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, razor light makeup and skincare, small backpack for daily outings, waist pouch for passport and money, reusable water bottle, foldable tote bag for shopping, lightweight jacket, malls are cold, travel pillow. For flights, mini first aid kit, sandals for beaches, snacks for hotel room. Dubai is safe, but keep passports locked in hotel weekends or Friday. Sunday taxis are affordable. Use Careem, Uber, dress modestly in public areas. Enjoy your Dubai adventure. Pack smart, travel light, and have an unforgettable trip.